Alright, so this is my Capstone Project 2 demonstration. Um, so first I'm going to go over my objectives for this project, which were to create a target VM. I just wanted to get a third one up and running just so I have more options when I get to my actual project for choosing to which ones to attack and which ones, like to see what I can get out of each one. Um, And then I wanted to do some research on Metasploit and Burp Suite, kind of see the either the general commands or what each thing does in the GUI um, or in the actual program, and then create the demo video, which I'm doing right now. And so I completed those creating the target VM and doing the research, and I'm in progress of doing my demo video. Um, so looking at project 2. I started with the setup of the VM, and I found a ISO called badstore.net, which I set up and I put it into my VMware, got an IP, and accessed it through my Kali box. So I'm going to show that real quick. This is the badstore VM, and I got the IP up. And then this is what it looks like on Kali, and it just has a bunch of tabs, and I can start playing with this. Um, once I get to that actual part of my project. And then I started to do some research on Metasploit, and I tested it out on one of my VMs, my Metasploitable. And so I looked at basically how to get it started, what kind of scan to do, how to see the services running, um, and basically what to do in order to find like an exploit and how to exploit um, using different modules and stuff. And a test to see what's actually on the VM, like if you're actually in it, and how to get out of that. And so I tested it on my Metasploitable, and I saw that VSTPD was running on port 21, and so I found an exploit for that, um, a backdoor for that, and so I can get into it and basically get into the console and start typing who am I, host name, whatever I want to type into it. Um, and I could actually also sudo so I can get root access. And while doing that, for my source, I found a another target VM called Metasploitable 3, and basically that's a more secure version of Metasploitable 2. So if Metasploitable 2 is kind of too easy, or if I'm just getting too much out of it, I might try to see what I can do with Metasploitable 3 um, to make more of a challenge for myself. And so then I did some research on Burp Suite. I watched a couple tutorial videos, basically how to make a scan, um, how to look at the scan results, and then other features on it like target and sitemap, the proxy tab, which lets you intercept traffic between the web server and the host, and intruder tab for automated attacks or customized attacks, whatever I want to use. Um, and then, yeah, so for future, I might go for Metasploitable 3 if I feel like it. I think I might actually. And then I also thought I could try using Nessus. It's a cool program that I can download and use. It basically just tells you what's exploitable on a web server, and then you can go try to exploit it. And it'll say like how bad it is, like if it's red, yellow, or green, for how much of an issue it is. Um, and yeah, that's about it. Um, so for my statement and objectives for Project 2, I decided to look deeply into Metasploit and Burp Suite so I would have a better understanding of how they would work and how to use them against my web servers. And I also decided to get another target VM up and running so I have more test options to work with. And so my objectives: get the VM up and running, which was Bad Store, and I wanted to get a better understanding of Burp Suite and Metasploit and see what they were capable of. So I did the research on both of them, and then I thought of a few things that I could do in the future to improve my project, and then I also wanted to create a demo video, which I'm doing right now. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.